Now we are in the injection workshop, and the first step of the injection workshop starts with the material feeding system. MaxG has very advanced material feeding system. We have completely automated this process. Before 2 years, this process was manual, but now this year in the new building, this process is completely automatic. Here you can see this is the automatic material feeding system. The material is fed here. This is a kind of a polyamide PA6 material. Now this PA6, because our MCB, RCCB, MCCB need the engineering plastic. So we all use the polyamides, then PBT, then ABS, all these kinds of engineering plastic we use. And all this engineering plastic has a prerequisite that it has to be there should be a pre-treatment over it. So what is that pre-treatment? The pre-treatment is this material has to be pre-dried, and also it has to be dehumidified. So what is that? So humidity, we have to take out the humidity from the material, and we have to dry the material at the same time. So this is the automatic material feeding system, where the material is getting dried also. You can see the temperature is maintained here, and there is some kind of a reference document also, what's the temperature here, and the same temperature is put here. So once the material is dried for 2 to 3 hours, then it goes automatically to the injection machines. Now I will take you to the injection machine. Let's go. So now we are in the injection molding workshop, and this is the injection molding machine. You can see now we are doing the molding of the base and the cover for the MCB, and this base and the cover is currently molded with the material called polyamide 6, and these are some documents like the process sheet. Then we also have the SOP. So for before we start off the process, all these process parameters being fed inside the machine, and then we can ensure the quality is maintained. Now let's go. I will show you the online injection. So basically now you can see all the process is completely automated. Once the material we get from the automatic material feeding machine, it is injected here. Here you can see through these pipes the material comes directly to the injection molding machine, and here there is one barrel. Inside this barrel there are many temperature zones, and as per the process sheet, we maintain the temperature inside the barrel so that the material in the solid form gets converted into the liquid form. And with the high injection pressure, this material gets fed inside the machine, inside the mold. Now here you can see this is the screen where all the process parameters get fed, and this is the online injection is going on. This is the mold, and this is 8 cavity mold. 4 cavities are reserved for the base and 4 cavities are for the cover. And this one is the automatic component picker. Now let's go to this side of this machine. So we can see the warpage prevention fixture also we have integrated with this machine. Please come. Now you can see the components are getting picked automatically by this robot and placed inside the warpage prevention machine. This is the separate machine. This is not an injection machine, and this machine is particularly integrated with this machine. So here, sure. The warpage prevention machine is also very important because the base and the cover tend to have some warpage. We have to take out that warpage so that we can get the good riveting quality. Once the process of the warpage prevention is getting completed, the operator will take out the component and will keep in the bin, inside bin, and then it goes to the MCB workshop for the assembly. We have the target this year also that we should make all the process automatic, and take out all the human interventions so that we can get the best quality from the injection workshop. And here are the various machines we have. Now here you can see the magnetizing plate holder. This is the MCB component. The molding is going on. This is the MCB component called coil guide. Now this machine is injecting the components for this. This is the RCCB base, two pole and two cavity. The injection is going on for this. Here they are doing the injection of the MCCB side inserts. And once the injection has been completed, the components goes for the checking and it is first stored. I will show you the area. Let's come. Once the injection process has been completed, the material comes to this area, and from here our quality department picks the samples and they check the component as per the SOP, as per the inspection card, and they make the inspection report. And once the goods are qualified, then the goods are sent to the various assembly workshops. Thank you.